Beef enchiladas. Ingredients: 1. 6.8-ounce packaged Spanish rice mix, or make your own Spanish rice. 1 pound ground beef. 1 ounce envelope taco seasoning. 2 10-ounce cans enchilada sauce, divided. 10 8-inch flour tortillas, warmed. 1 2/3 cups shredded cheddar cheese, divided. Optional garnishes: sour cream, avocado, chopped green onions, chopped fresh cilantro, pickled jalapenos, salsa or sliced black olives. Preparing the fillings for enchiladas is a two-step process. Cook the rice, then use it to create the beefy filling. Start by preparing the rice mix according to the packaged directions. While the rice is cooking, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Cook the beef until it's no longer pink. Drain any excess grease and add the taco seasoning, 1/4 cups of the enchilada sauce and the cooked rice. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and spread 1/4 cup of the enchilada sauce over the bottom of a 13×9 baking dish. To fill the enchiladas, spoon about 2/3 cup of the beef mixture down the center of each tortilla. Add a tablespoon of cheese and roll the tortillas closed. Place the filled tortillas, seam side down, on the prepared baking dish. The enchiladas will be nestled right next to each other, and that's okay. When all the tortillas are filled and placed in the dish, pour just enough of the remaining sauce on top of the enchiladas. You may not need all the sauce, you just need enough to coat the top without it spilling over on the sides to keep the tortillas from getting soggy. Top the mixture with the remaining sauce and cheese. Bake the enchiladas, uncovered, for about 20 to 25 minutes, until the cheese is melted. Let the enchiladas cool for at least 5 minutes before dishing them out with a spatula. Top each enchilada with the garnishes of choice. You can't go wrong with sour cream, avocado, chopped green onions, chopped fresh cilantro, pickled jalapenos, salsa or sliced black olives.